Ready to explore different blockchains with your Trust Wallet? Let's dive into how to seamlessly switch networks. First, look at the top of your wallet. You'll usually see the wallet name displayed. Directly to the right of your wallet name, tap on the network name, which will be in brackets. For example, it might say Ethereum mainnet. This opens the network selection screen. Here, you'll see a list of all the supported blockchain networks in Trust Wallet. Scroll through the list to find the network you want to switch to. In this example, let's select BNB Smart Chain by tapping on it. And just like that, you're now on the BNB Smart Chain. Your wallet will now display the appropriate assets and functionality for that specific network. Notice at the top of the app, next to the wallet name, it now says BNB Smart Chain. Remember to always double-check that you're on the correct network before sending or receiving any crypto. This will prevent loss of funds. That's all there is to it. Now you can seamlessly explore different blockchain ecosystems within your Trust Wallet.